Hello student, today's practical is synthesis of tris thiourea copper first chloride, that is Cu thiourea thrice Cl. For the synthesis of this thiourea, the chemicals required are thiourea, copper powder or turning, concentrated HCl, etc. First, we have to weigh 2.5 gram of thiourea. Here, we have already weighted the 2.5 gram of thiourea. Then, 0.5 gram of copper turning, or it is also called as the copper filling. Now, first, that thiourea are dissolved in near about 10 to 15 ml water. We have to take here 10 to 15 ml water. Now add this thiourea to the water and stir well, and after stirring well, all the thiourea are dissolved in a water. Then we have to add the 0.5 gram of a copper filling into it. And now this reaction mixture also added 3 ml concentrated HCl. Here the concentrated HCl is there, and that 3 ml concentrated HCl are added to the reaction mixture. Now in the beaker, here the reaction mixture contains thiourea, copper filling and the concentrated HCl. Now this reaction mixture heat on a water bath. This is the water bath. We have already take the water bath, and in this water bath we have to place that reaction mixture. Now all the copper fillings and the thiourea are dissolved in that reaction mixture, and heat such a type of a reaction mixture on a water bath, due to which the copper get dissolves with the liberation of a hydrogen gas. And the caution is there, do not boil the solution, means this solution is not boiled, only heat up to the 40 degree Celsius. Then when if required, add the water in the flask or in the conical flask. But after complete dissolution of this reaction mixture, we have to filter this reaction mixture with the help of a simple filter paper on a funnel, and we have to collect the filtrate. Now in this way, we have, after the dissolution of all these things, then the reaction mixture are filtered, and we have to collect that filtrate. That filtrate is cooled slowly, and they obtain the product. And the product is like this. The crystalline product is there. We have already carry out the same experiment, and here at the bottom the crystalline product of a copper thiourea chloride is obtained. In this way, the simple experiment is there. That is the synthesis of a tris thiourea copper first chloride complex. Now, after the formation of a product, again this product is filtered with the help of a Buchner funnel, or with the help of a simple filter paper, and that filtrate. Now here on the paper, the crystalline product is there, that after filtration the crystalline product are dry and wet, and that weight is the weight of the complex, that is called as the W. Here the W weight of the complex after drying the product in such a way, the copper thiourea first chloride complex will be formed, and this complex we have to consider as a W gram. That is the practical yield of the complex. And this is the structure of the complex. This is the structure of a complex, that is tris thiourea copper first chloride. Now the remaining part is the calculation part and the result table part. Now in the calculation, first we have to find out the theoretical yield. What is the starting material to carry out this experiment? The copper fillings, or it is also called as the copper powder. And what is the end product? The end product is the tris thiourea copper first chloride. Now the copper filling with the molecular weight 63.54 and this thiourea complex with 263.5 gram. That means 63.54 gram of copper gives 263.5 gram of a complex. Therefore, what is the weight of 0.5 gram of complex? Why that 0.5 gram here consider? Because we have already taken the copper filling only 0.5 gram, and therefore for the 0.5 gram copper 2.073 gram of a complex is formed. That means this form complex is the 2.703, and this is the final product. This is our final product. Now this is the theoretical yield. That means the theoretical yield of this complex is 2.073 gram. Now the practical yield of the complex, the weight of the complex we have already considered. We have to take the weight of this complex, and that is considered as a W. This is the practical yield of the complex. Now the percentage practical yield we have to find out. Now for the theoretical yield 2.073 gram complex consider as a 100% yield, and therefore your weight is how much? For that the W into 100 divided by 2.073, and that gives the percentage practical yield. In this way we have to find out the percentage practical yield. Now the last section is the result section, and this is the result table. What is the color of the complex? The white APQ color is there. That means the white APQ color of the complex is there. Practical yield of the complex, we have to take the practical yield as a W gram. Theoretical yield we have already calculated 2.073 gram, and percentage practical yield of the complex. From this calculation we have to write here the percentage complex of the yield, and in this way we have to carry out that simple synthesis. Thank you.